Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the very cool things about Windows 11 that I love is the phone link app, where you can actually have an Android phone connect to your PC, and depending on the phone you have, you can have it do almost anything, even take calls through your PC and so on. It's something I like. But there's one problem that appeared about 10 months ago. Somebody had noticed that when you go into your settings and you go into your mobile devices, you'll see that you can manage your device or devices, depending if you have more than one. And you can disable, you can, prevent the PC or the phone link from connecting to it with the sliders. But there's one option that was there that was removed, and it was the option to unlink your phone so that it doesn't connect anymore. So it's been getting a lot of upvotes in the feedback hub because more and more people are like, well, I'd like to unlink my phone, either because they want to unlink it, or maybe, they got a new phone and it's like, well, I don't want it there anymore. But there's no unlink. So apparently this is going to be fixed soon, because a screenshot of one of the insider builds now has a remove from account button. So this means that at some point this could be fixed, because you will have the ability to remove your phone. I have no idea why they removed that option. First of all, there's no logic or logical explanation, because at some point, especially if you change your phone, you might want to unlink it. Right now, you just gotta switch it off through the sliders, and it's still there in the managed devices. So hopefully this is going to come soon, because it's something that a lot of people would like. And I think I would like to have a remove the phone from my PC, a unlink, a way to, get it out if I don't want to. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.